We've all been there. That moment you drop your phone and uncertainty sets in. But what if you didn't have to worry about what comes next?
Hey, I think I broke my phone. Can you call me?
With bad connectors, your phone might as well be a tin can on a string.
I don't think it's working.
Even if someone drops their phone, Hirose's Armor Designs ensures uninterrupted and reliable connections. Our BK13 series is more than just tough. Its smart engineering and robust shielding prevent mating damage, offering reliability needed in every design. Choose reliable, choose Hirose. Get Hirose on board.